Alright, so you guys probably have seen this video of me unboxing it. I've already put 2 rolls of Kentmere 400. I bought more because I think it's a great looking black and white film. Not gonna lie, I might probably get more of these. But this camera right here, the Minolta x-300, let's see. I have a roll of Cinestill black and white double X in here at the moment. Only got like, what does that say? 4 shots taken already in there. So there's film in here right now, and I have more rolls of Ilford 5 plus 400. I'm probably gonna plan and get more of these stuff too, because it's Ilford. I like shooting black and white, even in digital. And this guy, I'm gonna flash some photos I've taken with this guy up right now, but I really do like how these look, because it be looking good. Yep, let me see. It's just I have a hard time loading the film in the, what do you call it? In the film reel, so there's that. I lost one whole roll of Kentmere in the changing bag because I couldn't get it in there. But I found a solution to it, so hopefully there will be more pictures coming soon and more Ilford stuff. Yep.